Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to prepare tomato chutney. I have chopped 3 to 4 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 green chilies, some garlic cloves, half chopped onion, 1/4 inch chopped ginger, and a bunch of chopped coriander leaves. Pour half tablespoon of oil into a pan. Add the chopped onions, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, chopped ginger, garlic, green chilies, and saute for a few minutes. Once onion turn golden, add turmeric powder, paprika powder. Mix all the ingredients. Salt as per the taste. And now add the chopped tomatoes into the pan. Saute for a few minutes. Cover and cook for some time or till the tomatoes softens. This chutney tastes delicious with stuffed parathas. This can also be consumed with rice. Now I'm adding garam masala, mixing it, adding chopped coriander leaves, saute for a few minutes, adding a cup of water. You may ignore this step if you like it thick. Cover and cook for some time. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment how it turned out for you. I will be awaiting your feedback. Switch off the flame once done. Serve with roti or rice. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.